Hey there, it is Simon here, and we are going to learn a kind of rhythmic style today as opposed to a particular song. We're going to learn that kind of Bo Diddley, George Thorogood, Rolling Stones, Not Fade Away kind of vibe. Stay tuned, I'll show you how it works. Grab your guitar, get an E chord. Now, the easiest way to learn this is to just split it up, right? It's quite tricky. That's the first thing to remember, so don't get too frustrated if you don't get it the very first time. We are going to go down, down, up, all right? So, all right, now, with this kind of guitar playing, we absolutely must not be flying around with our right hand. That will not help. You've got to move from your wrist. All right? So, here's our basic pattern. Okay? So, down, down, up, down, down, down. Now, down, down, up, down, 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 up, and then it loops. So let's just do that in sections, all right? So first bit, down, down, up. Let's practice that. Down, down, up. Down, down, up. All right, next part. Down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down. Let's do that again. Down, down, up, down. 4 and down, down, up, down. And 4 and down, down, up, down. 4 and down, down, up, down, and 4 and. All right, now the next part we're going to do down, down, up, down, down. All right, so up, down, down. Ba, 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 ba. Sometimes it also helps just to have the sound in your head, right? If you get caught with the guitar and trying to put all that together, just think you're going. Maybe we could do that together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Right? Okay, so down, down, up, down, down, down. And then the linkage, down, up. Right? So let's practice that together. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. Okay. Now, if it helps you to put an A major chord in there, put it on that. I'll show you where it goes. It goes down, down, up, down, down. So basically the penultimate down, right? Okay, down, down, up, down, down. So let's try and loop that. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. 1. Down, up, 1. Down, up, 1. Okay, cool. Now, in the intro, you'll have heard that I'm doing a bunch of percussive stuff there as well, right? So, down. So we've got. It's what we're going to try and make it sound like. Okay, so down, up. Now how I'm doing that is I'm just hitting it with the back of my hand at the same time. My left hand, I'm not taking it off the guitar, but I'm just releasing the pressure. So if I play the chord now, hear that? So we've got, right, down, down, up, down. So down, hit, up, down. Down, hit, up, down. Down, hit, up, release, up, down. A lot of things to think about. Down, down, up, down. Okay, next part. Down, down, up, sorry. Down, hit, up, down. Up, down, down. And then, right? So, the darker the sound, the better I think it sounds. So, the more the muting you can do here with your right hand, this kind of thing. Because when you do something like that at the top, kind of makes the top stuff stand out better. All I'm doing there is playing an E major chord, D major, E major. Same pattern. Or. Okay. So those steps again. Try and get the pattern first. Always build up to it. Then left hand. Right? I didn't do anything with my right hand there. So your kind of main bits, right? Down, up, down, down, down. That's when you need the hand on the guitar. In the chord, right? Then use your right hand as well. If you're playing Not Fade Away, now if you're playing George Thorogood, Who Do You Love? Right? Hammer on, first fret on the G string. Right? You do that. If you're playing the kind of Bo Diddley put my teeth in, Hey Mona. Okay, so there is a rundown of something which I've taught a bunch of times and is never, ever, ever easy to achieve. You think because it's only got one chord, it's going to be super straightforward, but the right hand, the muting, the left hand muting, the right hand percussiveness. It's not easy, but it sounds awesome if you can get it, so do persevere. I will see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Please do subscribe and hit the bell for notifications of weekly lessons. And if you're able to support me and the channel and keep these lessons coming, go to www.patreon.com/ patreon.com/Simon Morell, where you get access to every single lesson as soon as I've recorded it, access to every single chart I've ever written, over 3,000 charts, exclusive lessons with me, and a whole bunch of extra benefits. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Enjoy this. Cheers, bye.